Some important shortcut keys of MS Excel. Let's start. F2. Edit the selected cell. F5. Go to a specific cell. F7. Spell check of selected text. F11. Create chart. Control plus Shift plus semicolon is used to enter the current time. Control plus semicolon, enter the current date. Alt plus Shift plus F1, insert new worksheet. Shift plus F3, open the Excel formula window in the MS Excel. Shift plus F5, bring up search box. Control plus K, insert link. Control plus A, select all content of worksheet. Control plus B, bold highlighted selection. Control plus C, copy selected text. Control plus F, open find and replace option. Control plus Z, open go to option. Control plus F9, minimize current window. Control plus F10, maximize currently selected window in the MS Excel. Thanks for watching.